That way it's easy to run on and sit in a place. Yeah, it's easy at home because you can just drop it in the pot.
Hi there. Looking pretty good in you, Caroline. Cutlets. Yeah.
Away. Did it?
Hey, very bored.
Hey.
One's not that happy about it.
No, a little bit unsure. Hasn't been on a boat this small for
It's all a bit scary.
a while, hey?
It's all a bit scary.
All a bit
isn't it?
scary, all a bit interesting.
Alright, we're heading to Southwest Arm from Dollars Bay Marina.
Yep, a little bit overcast today to start, but hoping for the sun to pop out either this afternoon or tomorrow is meant to be a pretty cracking day too.
Trip up to the end of Southwest Arm, see if there's a waterfall.
Yeah, got the bubba on board again. She's ready to go. She's saying bye bye boats. Go on a little adventure.
Yeah.
Driving with Daddy. Eh? Dance, dance, dance.
Three, two, one.
Here's Daddy.
Over there.
Daddy, sheep make.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Nice and close, I mean, okay.
What's the red light flashing at you?
That means you're recording.
Recording.
Yeah, you're on camera.
Why are you recording?
Yeah, don't scratch your nuts either. I don't know.
Turn it off, turn it off.
What was that?
Cheers. Harmony, babe.
Harmony
Harmony.
Bay.
Come on, Brent, cut back, Liam.
Cut back, cut back.
That was what he wanted, that one.
Cutlets on the barbecue.
Oh, the party pie, sausage rolls.
Yeah.
Cleaning too quickly.
Sandy wants to be a cameraman now.
He's very steady.
I'm going for a job at Channel 9.
You should be a welder.